Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the avoid collision filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter in your effect gallery in the trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and search for avoid collision. Okay, the first one, this is the effect, avoid collision 3D, tap on it. Okay, this is the effect. To use the effect, okay, go for 60 seconds better. And tap on the screen. Likewise. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter in the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to your For You page. Go to your For You page and here search for avoid collision filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page. What you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.